I have an ideology. I mean, I think, look, we have a Conservative-led government. They believe, in many cases, that the private sector is automatically better than the state sector. But this is about the security of the nation. It's about the integrity of our intelligence. And there have been warnings for a considerable amount of time now, from not just within Britain, but from our allies and indeed from the Americans. And they're saying, why would you do this? Why are you doing that? What other country in the world puts its state secrets into the private sector? And the answer to that is no one, and there's a good reason for that. And yet the British government seem determined, with respect to the Defence Support Group, to carry on with that.
Do you personally really believe that's going to happen? Because, I mean, the Americans presumably can veto this. If it gets to a stage where the Americans really say this is damaging US security, let alone British security, the British government can do what they like, but it's damaging NATO security.
Well, I don't think it will happen. I think the government, again, as we saw with the defence procurement contract, I think when it comes to this repairs and maintenance contract of vital defence equipment, including equipment on the front line, I don't think the government will in the end be able to deliver that. But I think what we will see is the government struggle on, a defence secretary will struggle on, say it's the right thing to do, and in the end be forced to do yet another embarrassing U-turn.